That's how that goes.
Hi, I'm Ian. I'm the new guy. I am so happy to be here, and I hope you like what I give you. I'm married to a beautiful woman, Megan, my best friend. I have 2 incredible children, a 5-year-old son named Liam, who is Mr. Personality, always just right in the middle of everything, stage front. And I have a beautiful 3-year-old daughter named Taylor. She's amazing, can be a little bit of a snot, but I love her. She's daddy's girl. One thing I really didn't expect about this experience was the love that Signature Sound fans give to us. The love that I felt at the table is absolutely overwhelming to me. I never expected to be so well received and so taken to and so loved, and I hope that we can give back the love that they give to us every single night.
I believe for every drop of rain that falls, a flower grows. I believe that somewhere in the darkest night a candle glows. I believe for everyone who goes astray, someone will come to show the way. I believe. I believe above the crowd, the smallest prayer will still be heard. I believe that someone in the great somewhere hears every word. Every time I hear a newborn baby cry, or touch a leaf, or see the sky, then I know I believe.
I believe above the crowd, the smallest prayer will still be heard.
I believe that someone in the great somewhere hears every word.